And let's make Firefox visible, hide Photoshop. And yeah, you probably, almost certainly, you've seen this game played if you saw the playing of games from Ludendare 54. But it's going to be silly because it is supposed to be a co-op game with people on either side of the keyboard, essentially. And so this is going to be me trying to do it on my own because that's how it goes. So it's a fox and a raccoon, and it's WASD and shift for the fox, and IJKL and space for the raccoon. Okay. This will be great. So it is loading. Has sound, or maybe the sound is balanced, depending, one or the other. I don't hear the sound. Did, oh goodness, that was loud. Okay. So, theoretically, so I don't hear anything. My hope is that you do. Or no, my hope is that you also don't. So I'm just gonna turn it down. I don't hear music. Did I like mute the tab or something? I may have muted the tab once upon a time. No, doesn't seem to be. So it had like a sudden spike of noise in my headphones when I opened the game, but I don't hear anything now. But anyway, look at these things. They're super cute. Oh no. Yes, okay. Oh no. Okay, yep. So you have to hold down shift to move things. Well, shift in the case of the raccoon versus the fox. All right, and I know there are like extra cool things further in, which is good because, oh no. I mean, just one of us moving means that it's very slow and therefore less damaging to the object. Unless this actually was saying that its value is negative $300,000. We have destroyed the vase, but you know what? We didn't need that vase. Can I make it out of here without hurting that? Yes, okay. Perfect. So it is, yeah, it's fun for co-op reasons of everybody's destroying everything all the time. But also, I think we can move things faster if we both grab them. It's just, you know, it'll explode like that. But look at the damage. Like, this is the post-jam version, but I think all this art was already in place as far as visually. For the main one. Oh, goodness. I can't see a thing. And that's another reason co-op would be chaos. Good, good, good. I've walled myself in. Oh no! Rip. Okay. Let's just destroy everything. Okay. This is fun. So the more we destroy things also, the more the alertness raises. Oh, right, and there was this puzzle.